I'm going to share with you my recipe today on how I make my egg rolls. Cut the pork up in small pieces. Same process for the shrimp. 3 green onions, 2 tablespoons of minced ginger, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar goes in. Now we're going to add some soy sauce, rice vinegar. I have here some sesame oil. Mix everything together. So all you want to do here is cook the pork and the shrimp until they're cooked right through. And we're going to get these to boil for 1 minute. And they're going to go right in the wok and sizzle. And you want that is actually about 2 tablespoons worth. Roll and tuck. Tuck and fold. I could just continue rolling. Start adding our egg rolls. Yeah, that's pretty nice right there. Look at those egg rolls. These are going to be absolutely amazing.